The letter D is a variation of the letter A. Let's have a look at this. And there are two forms of a D. I'll teach you the standard form. Let's do an I. Right? Let's do a C. Let's do an A. Now a D is simply an A with this stroke extended. Right? So it's like so. Touch, down. This is our first one. We go up, light, dark, down, and away. Right, so our upstroke and our downstroke are in the same place. Right, if you're doing big letters like this, it's a bit more tricky. If you're doing normal sized letters, of course, it's much, much more simple. Right, D. So it's an A with a long upstroke. DJ. Right. JDI. Right. DIJ, and so on. The other D is a D that's a you find it sometimes. People do like using it. It's that when you can't even see it. So let's do it here. It is that. That's the other D. It's very 17th century. So you know. Let's do, and often found at the end of a word. So you might find the writer would start off with this kind of D, and he would go D, E, A, and end of his word. Whoa, right? A D like that. And if he's really in the mood, you'll find things like, you know, whoa, things like that start happening, and people start doing things like. You know, my pen's running out. Can't do that with a dead pen. You know, people start doing things like flourishes like that. It really makes the writing. It's okay if you leave a lot of space between your lines, which, if you don't have lined paper, you can do, but it's not very practical. Right? You want to be practical about it. Then this is a nice practical D, and this is a less practical D. Choice is yours.